Hey, good morning, traders. Today at 8:30, you're going to see the uh, unemployment numbers come out. So this could have a big impact on the market one way or the other. So be cautious trading today. Wait to see what that comes out at 8:30 to determine which way the market's going to go today. But one trade I'm looking at here is a calendar diagonal trade, if you will. And what that has you do is selling a at the money put 47.45 that expires today and buying January the 29th, going out about 11 days, and buying 47.05 put. This trade is a debit trade, currently pricing at $9.50. Now, obviously, you have to sell it for more than $9.50 to make profit. But with this, if it hangs around here at 47.45, that option will decrease in price, and you could roll it daily. You'd have 10 opportunities to roll it to take the weekend out. You'd have a few opportunities to roll it to try to collect more credit to reduce your cost. So $960 would be the most you could lose on it. As you can see, it takes almost $5,000 to put the trade on. But I've been having pretty good success with these, and actually have been trading some of these on a daily basis, 2 or 3 times a day, and picking up $50 at a time to try to look to pick up 5% a trade and do another one. I would wait till I wouldn't put one on afternoon. Afternoon, most of the premium has gone out of the daily expirations of SPX. So with that, good luck to you today.